अब हवा की दीवारों पे हम दो अल्फाजों से भरे भरे लिफाफे खत लिखेंगे। हम थोड़े बेसब्र थे कब ताजी ताजी खबर से दिल की अखबारों में छपेंगे। तेरी मेरी बातों का ये कारवां, देखो देखो अफवाहों सा है रवां, आसमां में बादल बन के चला उड़ा उड़ा मोड़ा मोड़ा जुड़ा जुड़ा थोड़ा थोड़ा। ओ ओ ओ क्या हुआ, ओ ओ ओ प्यार हुआ, ओ ओ हाँ हुआ, I guess I've fallen in love.
Apar and I met 7-8 years back at dance classes.
And at that time we were just like regular friends. Okay, hi, hello, this and that. We had a couple of common friends.
Little did we know then that we were going to get married 8 years hence.
I had gone for my really close friend Vishal. I'd gone for his bachelor's to Goa. And we were all sitting together till 2, 3, 4. I was not really drunk, but yeah, I was sleepy by 5, 5:30. As people drunk call their friends and girlfriends and nobody around. So I kind of called her at 5 in the morning. Almost half asleep. Oh, what's up? How are you? This and that. So I think that conversation was one of the conversations when we thought things are going in a different direction.
And then one night I just randomly tell him in the middle of talks that I feel like eating a red velvet cake.
So I called Elma's and Hoska's. I was like, can you deliver this to Gurgaon? And they were like, so I think it's really late, 11:30 ho gaye hain, and Gurgaon is way too far. I was like, okay, aap likhwa ke rakho uske upar good night, I'm coming. So I went there and this guy is like, sir, good night likhna tha? हाँ, good night लिख दिया. Sir, आप Gurgaon good night बोलने जा रहे हो? He had that little sir, Gurgaon जा रहे हो? I was like, you know, when you're in love, you don't understand what you're doing, what you're thinking, and all that jazz.
है खामोश दोनों कि बूम 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 पारा है मदहोश दोनों जो गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं जो कहती सुनती है ये निगाहें गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं है ना।
Apar is a very nice, kind, good human being and he's filled with life. Like you have to be around him to have fun in life.
Apar 2 बार मिला हमें 4 बार मिला and we could feel that he's like my son again.
Apar Shakti is very loud, like my dad.
Mad. Enthused, he's like a lot of energy altogether.
Very lively. Apar is fun. Definitely fun.
I would say he's a all-rounder.
There was a very small ad sometime back of Maruti. You know, Papa petrol ही नहीं खत्म होता. He's ever charged.
He has the most amazing laugh I've ever heard. It's the loudest laugh.
You get to know like miles away that Apar is
Standing. Like supposedly he's there and you get to listen to
Deep breath inhale. Breath out. Breath inhale again. Now start.
She's very subtle, very, actually very opposite to me. I'm too loud and too jumpy. She's very calm.
इतनी ऐसे लगता है कि हमारे घर की उसका एक अंश लगता है हमारे परिवार का. She's so lovable. उसकी व्याख्या करने की मुझे जरूरत ही नहीं है.
drama queen. favorite. Like that Jab We Met movie ना मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
गई थी. Usually दूल्हा घोड़ी पे आता है, मेरा दूल्हा प्रोटीन शेक पीता हुआ आता है. So one night we were out for dinner and we were in the lift coming down after the dinner and the lift suddenly stops. So I suddenly start panicking and just when I'm panicking he bends down and he proposes to me. Yes, I obviously, it was an instant yes.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. इश्क बुलावा जाने कब आवे मैं ताकूल तेरे रहना मैं ताकूल तेरे रहना मैं
So whenever I see Apar, the song is very apt. देखा जो तुझे यार दिल में बजी गिटार.
देखा जो तुझे यार दिल में बजी गिटार. देखा जो तुझे यार दिल में बजी गिटार. छलका आंखों से प्यार.
I think Apar would sing, definitely sing a Punjabi song only for Akriti.
Tन की शक्ति, मन की शक्ति, अपार शक्ति.
अफलातून.
It would just be तेरा ध्यान किधर है.
तेरा ध्यान किधर है, तेरा हीरो इधर है.
तेरा ध्यान किधर है ये तेरा हीरो इधर है.
Slow motion अंग्रेज. It just suits them, you know.
ओ स्लो मोशन अंग्रेज चल उन क्यों टाइम कमाए. ओ स्लो मोशन अंग्रेज चल उन क्यों टाइम कमाए. सीधे बाहों में भर ले सरसरी क्यों बढ़ाए. मेरी विस्की है मेरी ठर्री है तू मैनू चढ़ गई मेरी सोनिए. रोको ना हम मुझको पीने दो रज गए. घुल मिल लाऊंगा घुल मिल लाऊंगा.
Love Shafti, chicken khurana. I think Love Shafti is chicken khurana only, to which we dance right now.
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੋ ਮੇਰੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਜਾਵੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੱਲਿਆਂ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਜਾਵੀਂ. ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਹੈ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਬੀਬਾ ਲਵ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਚਿਕਨ ਖੁਰਾਨਾ.
I've already composed a song. It's called the Cuckoo Song, which I'm gonna. She doesn't know about it.
Cuckoo.
Yeah,
all the time.
So we want to tell Akriti that she's found a very loyal and nice husband.
It's called the Cuckoo Song. It's called the Cuckoo Song. नाम है आकृति. I call her Cuckoo.
जो भी वो करने को कहे मैं बस वही करूं. It's called the Cuckoo Song. It's called the Cuckoo Song. Come on, it's called the Cuckoo Song. It's called the Cuckoo Song.
We both are totally sure. But you know, of course, the D-Day when you have butterflies in your stomach and...
There's not really a reason why I should be crying on the day of my wedding. But to see everyone there doing so much for you and just with all their heart and all their emotions, it's just so touching and overwhelming that it just comes out. All those tears just come out when you're talking about all that.
Wish
had a very happy and long married life.
Blessings are
Blessings are there.
ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई.
Akadina Apar, I wish you the very best. Wish you the very, very best in life.
Let's make it last forever. 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 ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਣ ਤਾਰੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਹਾਰੇ, ਖਾਬਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਸਦੀ ਤੂੰ। ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਜੀ ਸਕਦਾ, ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਮਰ ਸਕਦਾ, रूहां विच वसदी तू।
जब दोनों में प्यार हो तो उससे ज़्यादा और क्या की जाए। तो ज़िंदगी उसी से चलती है, प्यार से। अगर शुरू से प्यार है तो आखिर ज़िंदगी तक प्यार जाता है।
कलियां दा साडा नहीं अच्छी लगदा, चारे पासे तेरा ही भलेखा लगदा, मर जानिए सामने तू आ। खाबा देखे अल्लाह विच रहनी है तू, दिल्ली उत्ते रानी वांगू बहनी है तू, एक बारी हानने आखिता मिला।
शादी जो है अपने आप में एक ज़िंदगी का इतना बड़ा पड़ाव है, इस चीज़ का फैसला करना अपने आप में, उसके बाद अपने गृहस्थ जीवन को आगे तक ले जाना, इट्स वेरी जॉयस जर्नी एज वेल इट्स डिफिकल्ट एंड चैलेंजिंग। एंड आई विश माई बोथ द चिल्ड्रन विल डू वेल इन लाइफ और हमारे वंश का नाम ऊंचा ज़रूर करेंगे। गॉड ब्लेस यू।
ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੈਰ ਕਰਾਵਾਂ, ਅੰਬਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੂਰ ਲੈ ਜਾਵਾਂ, ਪਿਆਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਛਾਵਾਂ, ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੈਰ ਕਰਾਵਾਂ, ਅੰਬਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੂਰ ਲੈ ਜਾਵਾਂ, ਪਿਆਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਛਾਵਾਂ, ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਅਜਮਾ ਕੇ ਦੇ।
Use whole lot of protection. We have 2 kids. Don't do it. And if they ever miss kids, they can borrow ours.
Ring, 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 ring our roses, photo khichai in many poses. I love you and you love only me.
When they have kids, just to keep apart in the other room, because if they laugh, he might wake the kids up. So.
जो तूने मुझे हौले से छुआ, मुझको कुछ हुआ, दिल का बलून देखो हवा में उड़ चला।
I would suggest Akriti to get some Red Bulls because that is how she can compare with Apar's energy.
Never wake up angry. Let it be, let it be, let it be.
I'm very jealous because my bedside is gone. We used to sleep together, me and Apar Shakti, whenever I was in Delhi. And I think that side of mine has been taken over by Akriti, so I'm very jealous and unhappy. But I'm more happy because she's the one who's coming and occupying that space. So yeah, I think this is probably a really one of the really happy days. Make love, not war. Make lots of love.
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है पार्टी करनी है हम पार्टी करेंगे किसी के भी पापा से नहीं डरेंगे हम हैं बेटे हम बाकी सारे पानी कम हमें रोक के दिखाए जिसकी बम में है दम
ऐसा ऐसा क्या पता कौन कैसा क्या पता जिंदा हो आज मैं इससे ज्यादा क्या पता
I wish him and Akriti all the very best in life. May they find everlasting happiness. It's been a fairy tale ending to their marriage.
And they'll make a great pair and wish both of them a very happy married life and God bless them.
I can never tell these things to him in front of him because I'm not very expressive as a person. I think since this camera, I'm more expressive in front of the camera. So let me use this opportunity to address this. Apar Shakti, I really love you. And you'll always be my elder brother because you're more responsible. And I want you to do really well in life. Better than me, better than anyone else.
Be amazing and just do everything. Whatever you want to do, just do it.
Akriti, you've done the right thing because Pari is such a family man. I'm sure you must have witnessed it by now. He loves everyone immensely. Like Ayush said, he's got a lot of love. And I'm sure you will bring out the best in him and he'll bring out the best in you. And stay together, stay blessed. We love you.
I hope you always smile and laugh as loud as you have always laughed. और तुझे किसी पार्टी में अगर ढूंढना हो तो तेरी हंसी से ही हम पहचान जाए. And I hope this laughter never dies out. In fact, it gets bigger and bigger. And I hope the happiness in your life also just gets as big as possible. And I wish you all the best. And I love you from the bottom of my heart. And I will always be your Oni and you will always be my Apar.
As you know, we have worked a lot for your wedding. Please do the same in ours. Don't say that Chintu Mintu hai and Chintu ko school jana hai and Mintu ki tabiyat kharab hai. We will not take that. And Apar, just keep her happy.
I'll pray to God these guys stay happily forever. And the love that they have, they may, love should grow by time. Love you, love.
Apari, there's no one like you in the world, I know. Keep up the energy and we love you all.
Hey guys. Love you guys. Love you.
I love you, Apar, and God bless you, and Akriti as well.
Pari Bhai and Jai Bhabhi, I wish you guys the best and I love you guys to the core. And I'm going to be there forever, always for you guys. And I'm sure you guys will also be there for me. And you're stepping into a new phase of life. Wish you the best for that. And once again, Jai.
I came to watch Pakistan-India game. And I think that time Pakistani got very protocol, so we allowed to go anywhere. So Apar came to me कि यार मेरे पास ढोल है, ये अंदर लेके जाना है तो आपको इजाज़त ले जाओ. So that's how we met. From Amjad, Naveed Bhai and one of my couple friends, they couldn't make it. Just stay blessed and all the best luck with both of you. That's for both of you from all of us friends. Thank you.
All compliments.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Apar and Akriti. We are very, very happy for them and we wish them all the luck and love you guys.
Love you, Chachi. Love you, Chachi.